Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nathan, and if you're new here, make sure to subscribe and like so you won't miss out whenever I upload. And this is my brother Eli. He will be joining us for this video.
We are gonna be making cloud dough,
and it's super simple to make. There's only 2 ingredients. It is conditioner and cornstarch. And also, if you want, you could add food coloring. Because we are in the adding food coloring.
Yeah.
And there are some other ones.
Oh my gosh. Ew! That looks ugly.
And that's what we are going to be making. And let's get started. Make sure you have a big bowl and a measuring cup. So then you can put the cornstarch into the measuring cup. And you put it into the big bowl when the dough is ready. And also, make sure to fill it up to the little line where it says 1 cup. We're going to need 2 cups of cornstarch. So let me just fill it up. A little bit more.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, make sure to ask your parents because you might make a mess.
Right here. I'm gonna ask on my princess.
Ariel, do you want to help me?
Yeah.
So Ariel's going to be putting the cornstarch into the big bowl.
I'll be guys.
Now we need another cup.
Yeah, another cup.
We are going to be pouring 1.5 cups of conditioner. So let's open the conditioner.
What though?
Fill it up to number 1. Let it get some air.
Bruh.
That should be good.
Okay.
Oh! And then the other half to this black line. Help me.
How you?
Okay, I'll tell you guys. Okay,
Go.
have to mix it up everywhere. This is the fun part. We're gonna use our hands.
Ew! Ew! It just like slime. Ew! Oh my gosh! It smells like slime.
So once you start mixing it a lot, it's supposed to feel like Play-Doh and super soft to play with. And as you guys see, we are all mixing it. And this time, if you don't have food coloring, this is the finishing part for you guys. But if you guys do have food coloring, you guys can add it in.
Just go like that, okay?
So as you guys can see, we made a bunch of different colors. And also, you guys can make cool little shapes with them. With these little toys. I'm pretty sure everybody has them.
Yeah.
They're like little dough Play-Doh toys.
Oh yeah,
And
and
to
then
make
look.
it, look, this is how you use it. You just grab it, make it flat.
Look guys.
Yep.
It's a little tool for it.
Right here. And then we also have the cue. You just push it in, and then it makes the cue. Don't forget to hit the thumbs up button.
I'm not gonna make
and
that.
we'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.